So we have studied yesterday that what are the different quality attributes and what are the tactics, and related to that tactics and quality parameters we have studied one one case study is the ATC so we have to now switch to our unit number 3. Now in this unit number 3, what you will study is the designing the architecture and introduction design patterns. So like that, what we have studied in previous units is how the so see, in this unit, what we have to study, we have to study the architecture in life cycle. So just like software life cycle, you have studied how that architecture is in life cycle of a project. We have to see. Then designing the architecture. These are the points which we have to study in this unit. Designing architecture, forming the structure, creating a skeleton system, then working simulation, which will guide us about the different how so design patterns. We have to see what are the different design patterns, what is meant by design pattern, then describing the design patterns, the catalog of design patterns, organizing the catalog, and how the design patterns solve design problems, and how to select the design pattern, and how to use the design pattern. So these are the units which we have to cover in unit number 3. So basically, this unit will be completely based on how the design is made and what are the different patterns, design patterns are available, and out of that available patterns, which particular pattern we are going to use. So let's start with designing by unit number 3, designing the architectures, and introduction to the design patterns. Okay, so this is unit number 3 which we are going to start today. So let us see the architectures in life cycle. All of you have studied the architecture, the life cycle of any system or any software. When you do the waterfall model or this life cycle, okay, software life cycle. What you start from the beginning of the system. You start collecting the requirements. So this diagram, when you see, it completely refers the software development life cycle. Now, what here evolutionary delivery life cycle is told that you consider represents you design the architecture system code. So whatever designing of the system, you design system and you develop some version. You let us say develop version number 1, and after that developing the version number 1, you what you do, you deliver this version number 1 to the customer, and this customer gives some feedback. Feedback when the customer requirements are there, that customer requirements are fulfilled, and these customer requirements are depending on that requirements, some changes or modifications are made, and again the next version is launched. So when this version is launched, this particularly this version is again given to the customer feedback, and when the complete suggestions are fulfilled and code is developed, it is given, it is now delivered, the final version is delivered to the customer. So in this way, this is evaluation. Okay, when this particular version is launched, this version is given to the customers for again getting the feedback, and this after completing this, it is launched into the market, or it is delivered to the customers. So this evolutionary delivery life cycle, what we have studied on the software concept from the beginning of some development of some system, some software concept should be there, some idea should be there, because this everything what we are going to study is related to the software development. So when this new idea is launched, that idea should be full, should be capable to handle all the problems, and should be liked by the customers, should be beneficial for the organizations who have stakeholders. And after implementation of this idea, its first version will be launched. This version will be given to the customers, and then after the modifications, after completing the So after the complete implementation, it is final version is launched, and this version is now ready for the customer users or the stakeholders. Now, what diagram you can see is the evolutionary delivery life cycle. Now, in this diagram, that diagram will be asked in the examination, and some explanation about this architecture life cycle. So this question may be asked for 4 marks, 4 to 6 marks. Okay. So regarding evolutionary delivery life cycle, now the next point is the design. Okay, so now what we have studied,